Whose family?
I think it's either my mom or...
No, it doesn't even have our address. It says somebody dropped it off. Something.
That's weird.
I know. I know, I don't even know who knows where we live.
Yeah. I like this handwriting now.
Yeah.
Keep that. Might use it for our website. Here you go, Selah.
What it is. It's so weird.
You did this to me again.
What? What do you mean?
This is the same exact thing
What?
as when we're pregnant again, aren't we?
I don't know what you're talking about. Tiffany.
Oh my gosh, we're pregnant again. You're trying to get me again.
Oh, buddy, come here.
Oh boy.
Oh, you poopy.
I should sit down. We're pregnant again, I know it. Okay. Open the paper. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. You guys are gonna be older brother and sister. Come here, buddy. I love you. Where's the camera? You stink, little boy.
Yeah, I can change his diaper.
Oh my gosh. Wow. You like how I knew?
I was like, no! What's Daddy got?
Oh my gosh.
What does it say?
Ian, I love you. We are being blessed by God with another child. I'm very scared. I know you will be too, but every child is a blessing from God. Love, Sabrina. Wow.
What's in the box? It's running out of battery.
Big sister. Big brother. Love you forever. Welcome, baby. Yeah, uh-oh. And Ma'am starter kit. And that's it.
What do you have to say for yourself?
What do I have to say? What do you have to say for yourself?
I didn't do it.
How did this happen?
I know, I don't know.
This is a good question.
I really don't know. Okay.
Is that why you felt sick?
I think so.
Oh, man.
Alright.
Wow.
Say bye, Simon. Say, I'm gonna be a big brother. Selah. Say, I'm gonna be a big sister. Let's go put it in the kitchen. Well, it'll be safe forever.
Hi, Neil. I missed you. Whoa, that's a big box.
I know. Here, let's put it away and then
What's in
let's
there?
go have you open it. Okay.
Hello,
Put your bag. Yeah.